Bonjour Year 5, welcome to our French lesson. Today is Tuesday and we're going to be learning about some time and things that are on TV. So I know it's tricky over Zoom as we're not able to repeat and I can't hear your pronunciations, but just be patient. Some of the PowerPoints, the sound isn't coming through very well, so you're going to have to just listen to my pronunciations. I'm not the best at pronouncing, but I'll do my best. So I'm going to share our PowerPoint now. Let me go back to the beginning. So today is Mardi of 22, so 22nd of June 2021, and we're going to write about what is on TV at different times of the day. So here's some revision of our vocab. When you come to do the Teams quiz, these will be on there as the first 4 questions. So have a think about them now. And when you go on to do your Teams quiz, you'll be able to answer them. So what is 11 in French? What does je me bouche la dents mean? What does s'il vous plaît mean? And what is apple in French? So as a bit of a warm up, we're going to count to 12 in French. So I'm going to do it through the first time. So you need to be listening really carefully. Then I'm going to say them and leave a gap for you to repeat. So I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if you'd like to go back and listen to that again, feel free. Now I'm going to say it and leave a gap for you to repeat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hopefully you were able to have a go at repeating those and you remembered them. If you'd like to practice again, you can just rewind the video. Right, we are going to learn today about how I would tell someone what I'm watching on TV. So I'm going to stop my share and then reshare our PowerPoint. Okay, so here is our question. What is on television? What is on television? So here is a timetable of all the shows that are on at different times of the day. So we've got 6, 6:30, 7, 8, 8:30, and we're going to see if we can remember some of the times and answer some questions about when something is on. So our question, I'm just going to listen. If you can't hear it, don't worry, I will repeat. So our question is, qu'est-ce qui passe à la télévision à 10h30? So we remember that 10 was 10, heures at demi was 10 hours at half. So we need to look down the list and find 10:30, 10 in half, and our answer would be horrible histories. So let's see if we got it right. Says horrible histories. Brilliant. Let's have a go at another one. So our question this time is à 6 heures. So we know that that is 6 o'clock, and we can have a look along and see our answer is Tom and Jerry. So we say says Tom and Jerry. This time it's asking us at 7 heures, and we know that is 7. So we have a look and we can see X-Men. This one says à 6 heures at demi, and we know that et demi is half past, so at 6 hours and half. So we look for 6:30, and we see Phineas and Ferb. Says Phineas and Ferb. This one, à 8 heures at demi, 8:30. We have Hannah Montana. Hopefully you're understanding this. So again, our question, we can say it's asking what is on the television, and it says à 9 heures. So we think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know it's 9, and heure is hour. So we need to find the 9th hour, 9 o'clock, and we can see it as Power Rangers. So if I said to you, what is on at 10 o'clock you would have a look and see that it is chuckle vision. That would be in English. If I asked for sept, you'd look for 7 and you'd see X-Men. So you should be able to have kind of got the gist of what our question looks like and our kind of answer to that. It's good to look for clues with our numbers to help you. I'm just going to reshare my screen with our main PowerPoint. So our key kind of words are, let me pop this back on, are sift, which is it is or the answer, and then whatever our kind of channel or show is. And then we would need to look for our time. So we know sept would be 7 hours or 7 o'clock. Remembering that is hour, et demi is half past the hour. And then we can use those as our clues to help us to find the channel. So now you're going to have a go on the Teams quiz. I've put in a picture of the timetable, and you are going to answer the questions of when different things are on at different times. You're welcome to come back to this PowerPoint and this video if you need help with any of the questions, but we have practiced our numbers, and so we should be quite good at finding which one means which. So have a go at that quiz. If you get stuck, then you can always look up some of the numbers or have a look for that video on YouTube that we listen to our numbers on. Have a look back through this PowerPoint, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email. So you need to go and complete the quiz now that is on Teams and answer the questions, and that should be scored for you. Have a lovely rest of your day, and au revoir.